Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's, and a customer come in with this generator they just bought, and they were saying there was flames coming out the exhaust and it wasn't running right. And so I took a look at it, and you could see around the exhaust it was rather sooty. So the next thing I did was take out the spark plug, and yeah, that's very sooty. So I'm having a think in front of the customer. I took out the pre-filter and air filter. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. That is completely gunked up, and this filter is just mucky. For comparison, this is an alternative. This is a new filter I'm putting on here, but you can see the pre-filter, that one's black, this one's yellow. But if you peel back the foam, you can actually see the colour of the elements. So it's no. But now that I noticed the air filter that's causing, well, obviously it is mucky. But I did a little experiment, and I'm going to do it again, just to see how badly that air filter is blocked. So I'm just going to start it up. I will dim the volume as I normally do. Ready? So yeah, there's a demonstration of what a blocked air filter can do to your machine. So no, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you really liked it, please hit the subscribe. It's totally free and much appreciated. So until the next video, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye.